Myself Sapnaba Rajput and today I present Kangaroo Mother Care. In short, KMC. So, Kangaroo Mother Care is a procedure for the pediatrics, especially for newborn babies, those who are birthed with the low weight under the 2.5 kgs. So, we can see the next point. In that Kangaroo Mother Care is a special way of caring for low birth weight babies. It improves the health their babies. So Kangaroo Mother Care is a special way of caring for the low birth weight, those who are birthed with the under 2.5 kgs, and it improves the health of their babies. Next one definition, in that Kangaroo Mother Care refers to the practice of providing continuous skin-to-skin contact between the mother and baby, exclusive breast milk feeding and early discharge from the hospital. So according to the definition, Kangaroo Mother Care refers to the practice of providing a continuous skin-to-skin contact between the mother and baby and it breast milk feeding and early discharge from the hospital. The baby is continuously kept in skin-to-skin contact with the mother and breastfeeding exclusively. So through the Kangaroo Mother Care procedure, baby is continuously kept in skin-to-skin contact with their mother and breastfeeding exclusively. That means mother are able to provide her baby more and more breastfeeding. The next point, component of Kangaroo Mother Care. Here, three major components are present. In that first one, kangaroo position, skin-to-skin contact, kangaroo nutrition, exclusive breastfeeding, and third one, kangaroo early discharge and regular follow-up. So, here 3 points are present, kangaroo position, kangaroo nutrition, and kangaroo early discharge. Next one, advantages of KMC, in that benefits to the baby, benefits to mother, benefits to the family and benefits to the nation. So, Kangaroo Mother Care is very beneficial for baby, mother, family and nation. Through the Kangaroo Mother Care, baby is able to do more breastfeeding. Mother are able to provide her baby more breastfeeding. It means exclusive breastfeeding. And if baby and mother both are happy, so automatically family are happy. And in our nation, all the families are happy, so our nation is happy. So advantages of Kangaroo Mother Care, it's very beneficial for baby, mother, family and nation also. The next one, benefits to the baby, especially for baby. In that first one, offers prolonged skin-to-skin contact between the mothers. Kangaroo Mother Care facilitates physiological stability in the baby. Offers prolonged skin-to-skin contact between the mothers and baby. And Kangaroo Mother Care facilitates the physiological stability in the baby. Kangaroo Mother Care reduces the apnea, oxygen requirement and risk of infection to the baby, and Kangaroo Mother Care help in early discharge of babies from the NICU. That means Kangaroo Mother through reduce the risk of infection in the babies and reduce apnea and oxygen requirement, because through the breast milk baby, in that baby more produce the immune power, and through that immune power risk of infection is very reduced and oxygen requirement also very reduced. And Kangaroo Mother Care help in early discharge of babies from the NICU. NICU, that means neonatal intensive care unit. So those who are baby birth with the under the 2.5 kgs that admitted in the NICU, neonatal intensive care unit, so help in early discharge from the babies from the NICU. Next one, benefits to the mother. So Kangaroo Mother Care is also beneficial for the mother, in that Kangaroo Mother Care promote better mother-infant bonding. Second one, mother is less stressed during the Kangaroo Mother Care as the mother is more actively involved in the care. So Kangaroo Mother Care promote better mother-infant bonding, because in that Kangaroo Mother Care, mother and baby more included in the skin-to-skin contact. So bonding is automatically improved. Then second one, mother is less stressed during the KMC as the mother is more actively involved in the care, because in that kangaroo mother care no specific need of any equipment, so mother is very actively involved in this care. Benefits for the family, in that kangaroo mother care is economically to the family. Kangaroo mother care promotes early discharge of baby, and kangaroo mother care facilitates the bonding between the baby, mother and the family. So kangaroo mother care is economical to the family. Economical beneficial for the family because no need of any special equipment in the kangaroo mother care. So is economically beneficial for the family. Second one, kangaroo mother care promotes the early discharge of the baby. So in that kangaroo mother care, no need of any intensive units or intensive care. So that is the very early discharge of the baby. And kangaroo mother care facilitates the bonding between the baby, mother and the family. The next one, benefits to the nation. In that beneficial for the nation, kangaroo mother care decreases the neonate and infant mortality and morbidity rate. So kangaroo mother care decrease the neonate infant mortality and morbidity rate. Mortality means the death rate and morbidity means the illness rate. So kangaroo mother care is decreased mortality and morbidity rate. Then kangaroo mother care is simple, easily applicable, cost effective. So kangaroo mother care is a very simple, easily applicable and cost effective procedure. Then kangaroo mother care result in the healthier and more intelligent babies. So kangaroo mother care is a very beneficial for the babies. Babies can be a very healthier and intelligent. The next one, procedure of KMC. Kangaroo mother care is a name of given that procedure through the kangaroo, because kangaroo is always care of her babies in that in front of her natural package, and kangaroo care the our baby. So according to that, our procedure name is kangaroo mother care, same like kangaroo and their baby's position. Preparing for the KMC, in that when the baby is ready for KMC, mother and family members should be counseled so that a positive attitude is created for the KMC. So whenever mother provide the kangaroo mother care to her baby, so first we prepare the baby and second one mother and family. So we provide the positive attitude and create the positivity in the mother family also, because that is a very effective in the kangaroo mother care. The next one, mother should be provided with the front open gown and the baby is dressed with the cap, sock, nappy and front open sleeveless shirt. During the kangaroo mother care, mother should be provided with the front open gown and the baby is dressed with the cap, socks, nappy, front open sleeveless shirt. The next one, kangaroo position, in that baby should be placed the mother's breast in the upright position and the baby's head should be turned to one side. So in that kangaroo position, baby should be placed to mother's breast in up and right position and the baby's head should be turned to one side according to which breast you select the first for the breastfeeding. The next one, hips should be flexed and abduction in a frog position. The arms should also be flexed. The next one, baby's abdomen should be at the level of mother's epigastrium. So in that, baby's abdomen should be placed at the level of mother's epigastrium point. And second one, hips should be flexed and abduction in frog position. The arms should be also flexed in the kangaroo mother care. The next point, feeding. So during the feeding time, mother should be explained how to breastfeed while the baby is in KMC position. So we can ask to mother should be explained how to breastfeed while the baby is in the KMC position. The next point, monitoring. Babies receiving a kangaroo mother care should be monitored carefully, especially in the initial stages. So whenever mother are provide the kangaroo mother care to her baby, so that time we are monitored carefully, especially in the initial stage. In that monitored, baby is placed in exactly mother breast or mother is comfortable with that position. Baby is able to do sucking and mother is able to provide the breastfeeding comfortably to her child, so that all things we monitoring in the procedure. Kangaroo mother care is a very beneficial and very important procedure for the mother and baby both. Thank you.